Now we will learn that how to connect any data which is there in CSV format or Excel format. Okay. How to do that one again? Dot read CSV, read Excel only it will come. Before that, we need to upload the data in our directory where we are working. For example, I'm working in a Finacular Focus. In that particular folder, I have created my Panda Basics sheet, right? So I need to upload there only that particular data set. For example, I will give you the simple data like from where you can get the data. You can go to Google. Okay, just type for the Kaggle. Okay, data science company we have Kaggle. Okay, Kaggle you type. Just click on that kaggle.com. Okay, how to download the data I will show. The data which I'm working now, it is all from the Kaggle only. So we can go to the data set. Once you click on this data set, you can search for here. For example, I would like to search for a housing price data. Okay, like this I will search any data set you can search. Once you search the data, so many data set will come, like different organization have been given different data thing. You can select any one data set, like I will just go for the housing price of metropolitan area of India. I say that particular data I would like to have. I selected that data. Once you selected that data set, it gives you like what it contains, like what exactly the new and resale house located in a metropolitan area, like ambities, all these things they will show. Then here it is given like within India, which area data you like. Okay, we can select any one. Like I just want to check up with the Bangalore data, so selected a Bangalore here in CSV format it will be, and we have around 40 columns. You can see here it says 40 columns data it is. Okay, different type of things we have. ATM is there or not, AC, Wi-Fi, bed, TV, sofa, all this detail we have in each of the column. Then I need to download this data. So how to download the data? Just we have to click on a download here. To download the data in a Kaggle, we need to register with the Kaggle. So we can register with a Kaggle with a Google or email or Facebook or Yahoo. I will just go with a Google. When I say go with a Google, whichever the Google account I am using, through that account it has been taken. Okay. Then I just say download. Okay, downloaded a data. You can verify your account by log into your Google Gmail, and one mail will come. You can uh, approve that mail. I have downloaded the data. Okay, it will be in a downloads in my directly. Yeah, downloads, I have a data. Okay, once I have a data downloaded, now how can I upload that one to my working directory, the where I'm working now, that particular folder we have to upload. Like Pandas Basics is there in a Pinaculo Focus one, so I will upload in that particular folder only. Don't upload in another folder. Upload that file here, select upload. Any data it may be a um, CSV data or Excel data. Just we have to upload here. Select that particular data set. Okay, then click on upload. So the data has been uploaded now. The name of the data set is a bangalore.csv. So how can I connect this data? I need to go to Pandas, that where I was working. I will just import pandas as pd. If you already imported, no need to worry. Then once I imported pandas.pd, I say data underscore Bangalore is equal to the name of the data set I have given. I ask Panda to read. It is in a CSV file, right? So read CSV. The file name is a B capital Bangalore.csv. How it is written here, na? Same way we have to write. If there is a space, give space. If there is a underscore, give underscore. Everything same. Then once you say yes, it is loaded. Now you can see data underscore Bangalore. I just want to check the heading of that. Now you can see all the columns have been uploaded. 40 columns we have, just 5 rows we uploaded, not everything. Like 1 means it has, and 0 means it doesn't have bedroom, like that. Okay, it will give all the columns here. Okay, but all the columns at a time we will not be able to see because it's 40 columns we have. All the columns name, if you like to have, then we can say data underscore Bangalore dot columns. You can get the list of all the columns, right? List of all the columns you will get. Okay, like this we can connect any data set, okay, which is there in a Excel or CSV format by saying read CSV. If it is in Excel format, read Excel, then name of the file bangalore.xlsx, it will come. Excel file means. Okay, so we have to load first data to that particular directory, then read that directory, that particular file name, and you can start using that data and you can analyze the data. So these are the some of the ways we can download the data and how to connect the data we have been learned. Now we were looking for, okay, we in next session onwards we will start analyzing a data. So far we learned that how to connect the data from different forms, right? Once we have been connected a data, and we have been already given you some of the data set, okay, I just open that. Okay, this particular data set we will start analyzing, like how to do, like it is in a CSV format. Okay, we will try to analyze this data, okay, train data by using a pandas, numpy, and matplot, seaborn. All these libraries we will use, and we will try to connect that data. Then we'll start doing a exploratory data analysis on that particular data. Okay.